I think I should make an update to my previous video because that video got more comments in its first 2 days than my other videos in the last 6 months. Here's a recent comment to that video. After conducting numerous interviews throughout the week, detectives determined that Mr. Apperson did intentionally fire his weapon into the vehicle occupied by George Zimmerman without provocation, the police said in a statement. So that's the news that Matthew Apperson, the guy that shot at George Zimmerman through George Zimmerman's passenger window, has been arrested. The arrest report says that Apperson was arrested for aggravated battery, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and shooting into an occupied conveyance. And I'll put a link to that blog where I found this in the video description. The reason I'm showing this information from this blog is I found something very interesting at this blog. The police report had some text that was whited out, apparently in an attempt to redact it, but if you highlight the text, as this person found out, you could read this information. During the investigation, I learned that Apperson has exhibited unusual behaviors, in which he had recently been admitted to a mental institution. It appears that Apperson has a fixation on Zimmerman, and has displayed some signs of paranoia, anxiety, and bipolar disorder. So that's the update, that Apperson, the guy that shot at George Zimmerman, has been arrested for doing that. And he's going to be charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, and 1 count of firing deadly missile into an occupied vehicle. And you can watch my previous video by clicking here. I still find it amazing that Matt Gutman of ABC still has a job as a journalist after tweeting this, where he declared that Zimmerman shot Trayvon Martin because he was black. If you have questions about the Trayvon Martin George Zimmerman case, you can post your question in the comments to this video. Because I, unlike a lot of people who insist on having an opinion about the Zimmerman case, watched the trial.